For today's friendly know-how, I'll show you kung paano mag-setup ng SPayLater Auto-Repayment. In this channel pala, I'm creating videos about helpful tips and basic how-tos. Help me promote my channel by liking and subscribing. I-open lang ang Shopee app, then click on Me. Click on SPayLater. Set up auto-repayment, click subscribe. Click enable payment method. Then you may set up your payment preference. Lalabas dito yung mga payment methods na available. Pwede rin kayo mag-add ng credit or debit card. Click confirm and then add nyo lang yung credit card information. But since ang gagamitin ko lang naman is Shopee Pay, I'll go back and then click the green icon plus icon. Then click add. I-back natin. Click I agree and verification successful. Click OK. And then there you go. Subscribe successfully. Please make sure your payment options have sufficient balance before your due date. And then click OK. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.